पर सर मुझे चांस मिलता है ना माइक पे आने का, फिर मैं लगे रहता हूँ. सब लोग बोल रहे जल्दी खत्म करो, जल्दी खत्म करो, चलो आप अब रजाई ओढ़ सकते हैं, अब ये चलता रहेगा सिलसिला. Thank you for having me here, sir, and allowing me to share this room and this stage with a lot of people who've inspired me, stalwarts of our industry, of cinema. It really is a big deal for me. I came here and looked to my left and right and saw who I was sharing the stage with. I was like, यार मैं तो आदमी बन गया यार. Please allow me to, before I get to the one and only Rekha ji, I must address all those individuals in this room who've inspired me as an artist. And let me start with Sarojji. I used to be a struggling actor, and Shad Ali had called me for a live performance to Paris, and Sarojji was the choreographer. So the first time I actually faced the camera ever in my life, I was being directed by Sarojji. She was not impressed by my dancing skills. She was telling the assistant director, "Hey, तूने बोला ये natural dancer है, किसको लेके आया तू?" And I was freezing and I was so nervous. She was like, "एक और करना पड़ेगा लड़के के लिए, roll camera." Sarojji, thank you so much. I really, really love you, Sarojji. I'm so happy to see you here. And I hope you're proud of me, Sarojji. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you, Sarojji. You are wonderful. Not very far from her, this handsome gentleman, Mr. David Dhawan himself. I have to tell you, a genius. What, is that even a question? Where do you think Varun gets his looks from? Okay, I think he gets it from Lali auntie. Yes. क्या पैदा किया है आपने आंटी? वो लड़का तोप है. David sir, thank you so much for all the joy that you've given me through your movies. Two of my favorite movies of all time. Directed three of my favorite movies of all time. Shola aur Shabnam, Raja Babu, which is actually my ringtone. If you try and call me, you'll hear Pak Chik Pak Raja Babu, Chal Gaya Koi Jadoo, Na Raha Dil Pe Kabu, Kya Kar Gayi Hasina. That was for you. Na Raha Dil Pe Kabu, Kya Kar Gayi Hasina. Hasina ji, I must mention to you, when I was a newcomer, this is like 5 years ago, and I used to share, I used to be at functions such as this, and everything used to be, the atmosphere used to be a certain way, and then Rekha ji would enter, and suddenly there would be this nasha in the air. You know, it's testament to your aura, ma'am, that very few people can even utter your name normally, you know. Nobody can just say Rekha ji. You can't say just Rekha ji. Everybody who utters your name just has some kind of, sweep to it. Rekha ji. Even like, those filmfare people, Rekha ji's come. Okay, Rekha ji's come, you can say Rekha ji's come. But you should see, it really happens. Nobody can say it normally. Rekha ji aa gayi. Rekha ji is, why, nobody can say, Rekha ji is looking so lovely. You can't say it. Rekha ji is looking so lovely. मैंने बोला था सर मुझे माइक मत दो. हाँ अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. So Shola और शबनम sir, Shola और शबनम, जुड़वा and Raja Babu. Raja Babu, which brings me to this lovely lady in yellow that's right behind you, Aruna Irani ma'am. I have watched Raja Babu so many times that I have lost count. I see myself as Raja Babu and I look upon you as my mother. Thank you so much for all the joy that you've given me through your performances, ma'am. Lots of love to you.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.